Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Are you using a mouse, keyboard, joystick or other USB device with your Mac but feel like macOS does not give you enough control? What if you could customize your device far beyond the default settings? In this video, I will show you USB Overdrive for Mac, a powerful utility that lets you customize how your USB and Bluetooth input devices work. Instead of being limited to the standard macOS settings, USB Overdrive lets you create custom actions and buttons mapping for individual devices. USB Overdrive is a Mac utility that allows you to customize input devices such as mouse, keyboards, trackballs, game controllers, and more. This can be especially useful if your mouse has extra buttons that macOS does not fully support. Now let's install USB Overdrive. First open your browser. Now search for USB Overdrive for Mac and press enter. Now you can see here download USB Overdrive official website. Click on the link. Now scroll down. Now you can see here downloads and the macOS version Tahoe and Sonoma, Ventura and Monterey. Just select the version you want to download, then click on the download USB Overdrive. As you can see, download is successfully completed. Drag the file to the desktop. Now double click on the DMG file. Now just drag USB Overdrive to the application folder. And that's it. Simply close the installer. Open the launchpad. You can see here USB Overdrive. Simply click on the application. Now click on open. Now you can see here the registration name, registration code. Enter or paste the name you received by email. Registration code, paste the code. I will register later. Settings. Now here on settings. After installing USB Overdrive, open the application and connect your input device. Now you will be able to see the available controls. You can see here on my Mac screen and configure action for different buttons. You can see here left button, click, mouse button, click type, click, modified keys to hold down. Just select it according to your preference. Now select a button or input, choose the action you want it to perform and test it. You can adjust the settings until your device behaves exactly the way you want. The interface may look a little old school compared to modern Mac apps, but the functionality is what makes USB Overdrive useful. And you can from here just customize the speed of the mouse, just increase or decrease it. As you can see, it is selected custom. If you click on macOS, it will give you the macOS default setting, and same on the acceleration as well, and wheel button control. If you click on advanced option, you can see here more features to configure your mouse, and that's USB Overdrive for Mac. If you found this video useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more Mac apps, utilities and tutorials. Thank you for watching.